How to change profile picture on Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can change your profile picture on Discord. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is open up your Discord. Make sure you're logged in into your Discord. After you do that, you can then head over to your user settings. You'll find the gear icon right here. Tap on it and you should be on your account. After you're here, you should find the edit user profile option. Tap on it. And after you're here, you will find your main profile. From here, you should find multiple options. Now what you'll need to do here is select the change avatar option. Tap on it. And from here you can upload an image. Tap on upload image. And after you tap on it, you can select an image that you want. Tap on open after you selected it. And it should get uploaded. Tap on apply. And simply tap on the save changes option right here. And you're basically good to go. Now after it gets changed, you can see that the profile has been changed. Let's head back and check. There we go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.